How to switch to iMessage from text message on iPhone? Well, in order to switch to iMessage, you'll simply have to toggle on the iMessage option onto your iPhone settings. How you can do that? Simply open up Settings, Application. Then scroll down and head into the Apps option right at the bottom, and then find the Messages app from the list of apps. Once you have found the Messages app, tap on it and open it up, and you'll find this option. You can see here various options, right? So what you want to do is here, you want to turn on iMessage here. So you can see iMessage, you want to make sure it is enabled, and you can see mine is waiting for activation, but you'll have to make sure that it is activated. You're good to go. So this is how you can switch. Now to select which of your phone numbers and email addresses you want to use iMessage, you can go to Settings, Apps, Messages here on this page, and then you can select here various options here shared with you. You can see. Now once you have activated, you'll be able to do that as well. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe.